Just imagine you have video footage or image footage that looks a bit below your expectations, and you wish to upscale it or make it look better. You try several AI tools, but they all disappoint you. Yet you have a project to submit within the next few hours, and your face looks so sad and pensive. Relax. Today, I'm going to show you the Wondershare UniConverter that you can use for video enhancements. You have the quality restoration, ultra upscale, ultra and 9 enhancement, and image enhancer with its different new models that can help you highlight details. We have denoise, enhanced clarity, and light enhancement. Or what if you have a video with a watermark or an image with a watermark and you want to remove it? Wondershare UniConverter can absolutely do that for you. We also have the noise remover plus image generator. You can create YouTube thumbnails, and you can also do batch processing. So I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do everything using this one tool. If this is something you like, go ahead and click the subscribe button.
And don't forget to check the link for this particular AI tool. You might see something unique that you'll thank me for later. So when you get to their website, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and click the download button. Below, you can see the Windows option, you have the iOS option, and then you can click on the option that matches your device before downloading the app. Over here, you will see that they have all kinds of tools that you can use. There are so many. You have their online tools, you have the product for different devices, and if you take a look at their site, man, it's colorful and speaks of what they represent. This is why I personally like this AI tool. You can restore old images to make them look like new ones. So right away, let's go ahead as I show you around. Starting from the desktop app, we're going to see that on the interface, we have the Home tab, which usually displays the favorites or the trending ones. Here you have the Video tab, you have the Image tab, and here you have the Audio tab. So it is an all-in-one AI tool. We are going to start from the Image section. Let's take a look at the Image Enhancer. All you need to do is click on it, then you can upload the image you wish to upscale. Here we have the image of a lady. On the left-hand side is the uploaded image, and on the right-hand side is the final output. So over here on the right-hand side, you can decide to click the Auto Enhance button. Under the Image Upscale option, you have 2x, 4x, and 8x. So here we are going to choose 8x. Let's see how it comes out. And here we have the final result, which is pretty good. You can see the clarity and the color blend of the image, and it looks even sharper than the original one. Also, if we go back, we're going to see the auto enhancer. All you need to do is click on it if you want it to auto enhance. Then you can see the gentle mode and the Gen AI mode. So here you're going to be using AI to enhance the image, and it's going to give you a unique outcome. You have the face enhancer, which can help you enhance the facial appearance of a person, making it brighter and more like a photo generated from a high-quality AI model. So go ahead and try this out. Now there's something to take home from this image enhancer. Here we're talking about the clarity of the image that was enhanced, the noise reduction, and the high-quality details, much like the images generated by a top-tier AI model. This is truly unique, guys. Next, we are going to head over and try a video enhancer. We'll be talking about the quality restoration, ultra upscale, ultra enhancement, and so on. So let's get into it. All we need to do is click on the video option and look for the video enhancer. Just go ahead and click on it to upload the video you wish to enhance. So using this particular video, we can see that on the left-hand side, we have the original video, and on the right-hand side, we have the enhanced video, which is the one we are currently working on. On the right-hand side, we're going to see the standard mode, which is fast and essential. We have the Ultra Gen AI, which ranges from 2x to 4x, and then we have the Topaz Ultra Gen AI. We also have the face enhancement, the anime enhancement, and the night scene enhancement. Currently, we are using the Ultra Gen AI option. For this particular video, we used the 2x upscale feature under the Ultra Gen AI option. Now, let's compare the two videos. You will agree with me that the video upscaled by Wondershare UniConverter is of far greater quality than the original. I have used several AI tools for this purpose, and I have found that Wondershare UniConverter ranks very high and delivers pretty impressive results. Let's assume we have an image with a watermark and we want to remove it. All we need to do is come over to the image watermark remover and click on it. Then we can upload the image we want to remove the watermark from, just like this current image here. If you take a look at the right-hand side, you're going to see some options for you to select. You could just click on the selection tool and then erase if you want to erase, just like so. Or you could just click on the watermark option like so. If you want to remove the text watermark, you can click on that. If you want to remove the background, you can remove it too. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to click on the watermark option and then click on remove. The AI tool is just going to go ahead and remove the watermark. And over here, guys, this is the result of what we just did. Here is the original image from which the watermark was removed, and you can see that this is absolutely amazing. Without stress, removing a watermark with Wondershare UniConverter is as fast as it looks, just like what we did here. Now, we still have a small icon remaining in the image. What we need to do is go ahead and re-upload the result. If you take a look at it, you can see that the watermark was entirely removed. But if you look at the bottom right corner, you'll see that there is a symbol that was not part of the watermark. To remove this, all we need to do is select it, just like so, click on Remove and Export, and instantly that remaining symbol is going to be removed, as easy as ABC.
We know how hard it is to create a thumbnail as a content creator, but with Wondershare UniConverter, all you need is to relax and let the AI do its work for you. This time around, we are going to be using the thumbnail maker. We are going to see several thumbnail styles, and over here is where you can upload any image of your choice. So I'm going to be uploading the image of my avatar. Having uploaded the image of the avatar, I'm going to be writing a prompt in the text box below it. Use the uploaded image as a reference and generate a YouTube thumbnail with the text YouTube Automation. The text should glow, and a YouTube channel should be the background in a faint style. So after that, we can see that it generated a YouTube thumbnail based on the prompt that I gave it. But what if you do not want to create a thumbnail all by yourself? We have templates that you can use as a guideline. So here I have my image, and I'm just going to click on any of these templates. And below it, it is going to bring up a text box where you can simply paste or type the text you want to place or display on the thumbnail. And here you have the results. This is absolutely unique. I have never seen an AI tool that could do such a thing in such an easy manner. So with Wondershare UniConverter, you can create thumbnails fast and easy.
It doesn't just end there. Like I said, there are a whole lot of things you can do with this AI tool. Now let's try to convert using the image converter. This image is in PNG format, so we are going to be converting it to JPG. You also have the option to select whichever file format you desire. I'm going to select the JPG format and then click the Convert button. In just a few seconds, the AI is going to convert the image from PNG to JPG format. And here we can see that the image has been successfully converted into a JPEG file. We can also batch process several images from one format into a particular format style, or different format styles. As we can see, we have a particular format here, and we can decide to change the output to different formats, and the AI will handle that perfectly well. So we can go ahead and start clicking on them one after the other, or click the button to batch convert all at once. And the AI tool will do justice to each one, based on the format you chose. And here we have the results. And guys, we can also convert videos from one format to another and batch process many videos at once. To do this, all we need to do is head over to this section. You can see it is written Converter. Batch convert video, audio, and image files supporting over 1,000 formats. So you can actually use this to convert images, audio, and video files. All you need to do is click on it and input your files. So I'm going to be adding 2 files as an example, but you can do more, 10. It all depends on how many files you want to convert. So over here, you will see that these files are in MP4 format. We can decide to click on the format we want them converted to. You can click on MKV, and we can also select the resolution we want them to be converted into. So I'm just going to be using HD as an example. And then I'm going to click on Convert. Automatically, the AI is going to convert them. And it's done. It has converted them all. And over here, you can see that they have both been converted to MKV format. So you have no worries about how to convert your audio, image, or video files. With Wondershare UniConverter, you can do all of that effortlessly. Now, these are just a few of the things this AI tool can do. If you explore each section, you're going to discover a lot of functionalities that you can carry out with this tool. So go ahead, register on the website and start using this AI tool to make your work easier, especially as a content creator. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. And don't forget to use the link in the description.